It started off as a DIY project of hand designing studded glasses for ourselves.
There were a lot of people who didn't get it, but we also had a handful of people who asked how they can get their hands on a pair.
We didn't grow up ever seeing or buying eyewear that was Black owned, or even seeing people that looked like us in the marketing materials.
Growing up with a little bit of exposure and access gave us the opportunity to really use our imaginations and to dream big. PayPal enabled and showed us that we could make our hobby into a paid business. Now, when other Black and brown people go shopping for eyewear, they can finally see a brand where they see themselves.
What inspired me to create this brand was my community, the Bronx, a melting pot of culture, character, and more. We make sure that our design is Bronx-centric, putting something on paper and then digitizing it. After, we screen print our merch, pick the right colors, the right tones, and get to work. Our physical shop is a cultural hub, a place that doesn't only sell merchandise, but is a multi-purpose space all about social impact and engaging our community as much as possible. Open mics for our up-and-coming artists, mental health awareness events, and more. From a pop-up shop to our own physical brick-and-mortar shop, PayPal has been there every step of the way. The Made by PayPal event is extremely important for Black and brown small business owners because it gives us an incredible platform for us to flourish.
Call corporate. You'll have to call corporate on that one. Being a young employee in the retail game, this was something I eventually got tired of hearing. Ultimately, that would serve as part of what inspired me to open my own shop and call it just that, corporate. Being from Cincinnati, where we're used to being overlooked for bigger markets, I wanted to show how someone from my background and my community could make his own mark in our city and a culture that overlooked us. PayPal is that sigh of relief and gives me one less thing to worry about. Having one less thing to worry about lets me put more focus on our initiatives within the community. If you're a creator or a Black or brown business owner, Made by PayPal is a platform that gives inspiring examples of what's possible for people like us.